This simple 5-bean pasta salad comes together in just 15 minutes. The only thing you need to cook is the pasta. It's vibrant, full of flavor, and perfect for batch making your weekday lunches. Begin by making the dressing by adding the Napolina olive oil to a bowl, followed by the lemon juice, red wine vinegar, garlic, oregano, Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. Then mix together well, then set aside. Next, to a large mixing bowl, add the cooked Napolina Fusilli pasta, cucumber, red onion, red pepper, basil, sweetcorn, parsley, cherry tomatoes, and our Napolina 5-bean salad. Then drizzle over the tangy dressing and mix together gently until you turn the bowl into a vibrant and delicious pasta salad. Then spoon in 2 bowls, top with a handful of mozzarella pearls, and dive in. A simple, no-fuss, no-cook recipe that's perfect for meal prepping or serving as a light dinner. Buonissimo!